have no idea what the hell is going on outside, but it's like constant thunder and lightning. It won't stop. It just keeps going and going and going and going. And this has never happened to me before. I've lived in Florida like 10 years. And it's crazy. Come. I mean, just listen to it. Non-stop. I don't get it. Like I said, I've lived there 10 years and this has never happened. It just keeps going and going and going. And I've taken a look at the weather icon on my news thing, and the lightning strikes, they're like over 600. Time to get the hell out of Florida.